Hi, you guys, it's me again. But I wanted to have an opinion of my hair. Look at my hair. I don't know if you guys can see it, but
I see it matches mine too.
I have a wicked mohawk on deck. I have a mohawk, and like I don't really know. I don't know if it looks good. My mom says it looks okay, but my friend said I look like a little kid. And like, I don't know. I want y'all. I want the opinion of everyone because I don't know how it looks, and I want to know if I look like a little kid, or if I should take it out, or if I should do it over, or if I should just like extend maybe a little longer. So like, how does it look? But anyway, look at my little cousin. He's the same mohawk, but his mohawk looks cute. I kind of got it from him to get a mohawk, but he looks cute with it. I look like a little kid, and he's little. I don't want to look little like him. So like, give me your opinion. Tell me what y'all think. Like, I mean, I have the hair out in the back, but I think I still look like a baby. Shut up! What the fuck? Fucking cock blocker. Look at her. Her fucking pig looking self. Look at her.
That's my big sis, everyone.
Ew. Who the fuck cares? Anyway, please give me an opinion of what y'all think about my hair, cause it's really, really. Trey, come on. Please give me an opinion of what y'all think about my hair, alright?
And my hair too.
And his hair too.
I'm not going nowhere.